So we have a question here at trigonometry. Try the question once and get back to me once you are done. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, where angle A corresponds to angle D. C and F are right angles. The length of AB is 2.4 times the length of DE. If tan of A is 21/20, what is the value of sine D? Now, one thing, we have to find sine D, and we are given with tan of A. A is the part of triangle ABC, D is the part of triangle DEF, and they have a factor in between the two triangles. They have a factor of 2.4. Now, one thing before going to the question, let me tell you something. The trigonometrical ratios for similar triangles are equal because, let me give you an example. Let me make the same triangles, okay? Let's say the factor between the two triangles is 2x. 2 basically. Here the right angles are at C and F. So let's say this is A, B, C. A corresponds to D, so I'm gonna write D here. And it is D, E, F. Okay. Now, let's say this side is X and this side is Y. And let's say this angle is 2 times. Okay. So the ratio of the sides is 2. So this is 2x and this is 2y. Now let me find tan of B. Tan of B is opposite over adjacent. Tan is opposite over adjacent. Opposite is y. Adjacent is x. It's y over x. Now let me find tan of E. Opposite over adjacent, so it becomes 2y over 2x. Simplify, this is also y over x. And notice they are exactly same. That means tan of B is equal to tan of A. If I need tan of E, I don't need to find tan of E. I can just work with tan of B and my work is done. So even if I don't consider this 2.4, but because since I know that it's a similar triangle, they are similar triangles, I just need to check which angle corresponds to D. Okay, and the angle which corresponds to D is A. I just need to find sine of A and I am done. Isn't that wonderful? Also, this is one way to prove that, okay, the similar triangles have same trigonometrical ratios. See, if angle A is equal to angle D, then sine of A will be equal to sine of D. Right? Because the angles are same, ratios will be same. Let's say it was 30 degree. A and D are both 30. So we are talking about sine of 30 here. Right? What is sine of 30? Sine of 30 is 1 over 2 or 0.5. So they are both 0.5. That means they are same. Okay, let's get back to our question. Enough of drama. Pause the video, try the question again yourself. Tell me what you get. Tan of A is 21 over 20. A is here. So tan of A is equal to 21 over 20. Opposite over adjacent. Opposite is CB. This is 21 over adjacent, which is 20. So this is 20. Now sine of t we need to find. Sine of sine of t will be equal to sine of a, which is sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So you have ka tau. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. What is opposite? Opposite is 21. What is hypotenuse? We don't know. We need to find the hypotenuse using the Pythagoras theorem. So AB will be equal to square root of opposite square plus adjacent square. 20 square plus 21 square. So square root of 20 square. Okay, I'll show you how to do it over the decimals. So you can type SQRT square root, you will get of, oops, under the square root you need to go plus 21 square. You have 29. So the whole thing is equal to, the whole thing is equal to 29. That means AB is 29. Okay, we got 29. That means our hypotenuse is 29. This missing hypotenuse we got. And it is 29. So what will you write as an answer? You can, in the box, you have 5 characters are allowed for the positive answer. 21 slash 29 characters. How many characters did we write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We wrote 5 characters. It is fine. Or you can do the decimal expansion as well. Just make sure you round it to 5. You just need 5 characters. You need to put 5 characters. So see, 21 over 29. Okay. You have this value. I can actually round it in decimals as well. So I need to write round, then my value. See it. So if I close the brackets, it's giving me 1 because it's rounding it to whole number. Okay. But if I do a comma and 2, it gives me 2 decimal places. And 2 decimal places are 1, 2, 3, 4 characters for now. I can give 5 characters. So now I have 5 characters. I can write this as my answer in SAT. I can write 0.724 and you are done. Write any of the answer, guys. It would be a correct answer. Don't write any more characters than this. Okay. Only 5 characters for positive answer. Okay, students, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.